killed me. We got by. Looking back, I want to apologize to you. What we were living. You know that saying that when God closes the door, you open the window? Well, sometimes out of nowhere, he'll do you one better. He'll kick a whole wall down. He grabbed me by the shoulders and he pointed me towards this woman right here. And he said, there she is. Go get her. You're everything to her. Words can't describe you. You're everything. And I love you.